The request of President Rodrigo Duterte's defense team for a status conference at the International Criminal Court is a timely and necessary move. It is a clear assertion that the legal process must be rooted in fairness, clarity, from unclear communications, procedural lapses, to an increasingly politicized atmosphere. The odds have been stacked against a straightforward and just process. Emphasizes the right of the accused to a prompt and fair trial. That includes being informed about the timeline and being able to prepare adequately. If the ICC wants to retain any moral and legal high ground, then it must heed this request with objectivity and urgency, not as a concession, but as a matter of principle. The request for a status conference before July 25th is not an evasion. Tacticate is a call for transparency. The defense has every right to know if the September 23rd hearing date is still realistic, or if it is merely a ticking clock meant to rush a narrative already politically poisoned. In due process, especially when a former head of state is under scrutiny by a foreign tribunal. The hearing for the confirmation of charges is a serious event, and any delay, especially those outside the control of the defense, must be addressed through proper procedural channels. The Duterte camp's move to request a status conference is a reminder that justice cannot be rushed, nor can it be manipulated to suit political interests. If the ICC is truly after truth and fairness, then this request should be granted immediately and without prejudice. Let's be honest. Many of the delays in the ICC process haven't been caused by the Duterte camp. What we are seeing here is a legal team exercising professionalism. Instead of launching media tirades or making baseless accusations, they are turning to the very mechanisms of the ICC to address legitimate concerns. This speaks volumes about how serious the Duterte side is in facing the proceedings, even as they question the court's jurisdiction. The difference between political persecution and judicial fairness often lies in these quiet procedural moments. Let us also not forget that the Rome Statute, the very foundation of the ICC, ultimately, this isn't just about one man. It's about upholding a standard that even international bodies claim to respect.